In this video, we are going to see the basic concepts of class. So the first program is to calculate the area and volume. So this is the class. We have declared four variables: length, breadth, height, and calculate area. Calculate area is the function. So inside the function, we are giving written length into breadth, and inside calculate volume, we are giving written length into breadth into height. So the values are assigned like this. So first, we are creating an object for the class, and using that object, we are accessing the variables and assigning values to them. So and finally they will calculate and return the value back to this, and then we are printing it using the cout statement. So if you run this, we'll get the output. So the next program is how to use two classes in the same program. So in the first class we have class A and class B. So we have created two objects, AT and BT. So using AT we are giving 32 as the parameter to the get function, and using BT we are giving 54. So the AT32 is received over here using the int z, and it is assigned to A. So using cout we have printed A, and next bt.get54 is received over here, and it is printed using this. So the next program is in the int main we have created one object, and we have assigned a string car object1.brand, which is BMW, and its model and the year of launch. So next we have created another object, and we have assigned another name, model, and year. So using cout statement we have printed that. So this is a basic program. So passing an argument. So we have two classes over here, two functions over here, account one without argument and one with argument. So here we have passed an argument, so automatically this function will be called, and the b value is assigned to A, and using display function we are printing A. So 47 is display. So the next program is implicit call and explicit call. So what is implicit call and explicit call? So as we know, we can pass arguments to a function. So if we pass arguments directly while creating a class, then it is called as an implicit call. If we created an object and then we assign the value with a equal to sign in between, then it is called as an explicit call. Both the values are assigned and the outputs are printed. So the next program is static data member. So using static data member, we can initialize the value of an integer to 0. So here we have used a static in count. Then at the end of the class, we have declared that inside the class account, we have a variable named count, which is static. So we have used a scope resolution operator, and it is an integer. So here we have created three objects. One object is given a value. So void get value, it will receive the value, and the count will be incremented to 1. So next, using display we are printing that. So 1 will be printed first time. Next, using b.getValue we are passing another value. So already the count value is 1 and it is incremented to another one, so 2. So that is also printed. So if we change the order, a.getValue, b.getValue, and c.getValue, then we print both the display statements. Then we will get 333 as the output. So the next program is a friend function. So this is a normal class. We have declared a and b, and inside there is a constructor. So in the void get, we have assigned c value to a and d value to b. So in the cout we are printing both. So we have declared a friend function called friend void max. So now we are having the function, and this function is outside the class. So we are passing the object as an argument. Then using that object, we are accessing the variables inside the class, which is a and b, and we are comparing it. So inside the main function, an object is created and the two values are passed. So those values are received over here, and the output is printed. So the next program is using inheritance. So there are two classes, namely class dog and class animal. So there are two functions inside the class animal, eat and sleep. So the eat function and sleep function are inherited by the dog class, and all the three functions are available over here. So we are creating an object for dog, and we are accessing all the three functions using the dog class. So we have printed the statements. So this is a simple program. We have created a class, and inside that we have declared one integer and one string. We have created an object over here, and using that object we are assigning values to those and printing it. In this program there are two classes, namely class vehicle and class car. So the class vehicle is inherited by the class public class car. So here we are having one function void honk, and in this we are having the model name. In the main function we are creating an object and accessing the function which is available inside the base class using the derived class. Thank you.